Hi, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. I'm in the kitchen at the gaff and trying to save at least one day's money. It's really hard when you're on your own, you don't work and you're disabled and all this stuff. And anyway, some lunch times I've been to Pepe's Chicken in Croydon and I've had the hot wings in the spicy sauce, and basically 2 or 3 times I've been saving what's left of the sauce. So I've had some chicken that I've had frozen away for a while, even if I can just save one day's money for a dinner instead of lunch and then having Linda make me something at night. I've looked at the rice and the rice is gone, so I had to throw that away. But anyway, yeah, I've got some chicken out and I've defrosted it, and then basically I've been marinating it for the last couple of days. Now it's just a case of starting to cook it. So we've got hot peri peri chicken sauce. We've got celery in there. We've got 4 cloves of pickled garlic. There's lots of herbs in there. I can't remember which one it was. One of these. Basil, oregano, one of them. Can't remember. There's probably some pepper in there as well. There's a knob of butter, but that has yet to melt. And maybe a bit of extra lemon and some kefir stuff has gone in as well. So basically just gonna cook it all up, and then I'll take it back to the old flat, and if I've got any spare rice one day, I'll be able to have it with this. So that'll be one extra meal. Yeah, so basically it was 3 batches of leftover hot piri piri sauce from Pepe's Chicken in Croydon. Hot wings are quite nice in there, and the quesadilla is just banging. The quesadilla. Yeah, so it's just a case of heating this thing up, cooking it up. It's going to be a little while because it's quite thick. Quite thick chicken, that left piece, and hopefully I'll make a good meal. Still coughing a bit. Among other news, that very small sliver border next to the greenhouse at the old flat, I lifted it another layer with another piece of feather edge wood, and then I filled it with more compost, mixed some builder sand and some gritting, and basically I've planted sweet peas in there. And we've just got to wait. So marinated chicken with hot piri piri sauce, celery, some pickled garlic in there, herbs, some butter, and I just got to keep stirring it up. And I think we're going to end it there. One day's free food finally. Oh, it's been a struggle.